Hello, I am Zied Mnasri from University of Tunis, and I present this work with Professor Rovetta, Professor Masulli, and Dr. Cabri from the University of Genoa in Italy. As you can see, this work is about the advances and the challenges of emotion recognition from speech for dialogue systems. One of the challenges now in speech processing is expressive speech recognition. Actually, neutral speech recognition has attained a very good state of the art. Still, expressive speech recognition is still trying to catch up these results. One of the problems that we have had in supervised learning-based emotion speech recognition is that they hide the inherent problem of overfitting. We can easily detect that by changing the corpus, the test in the test or in the validation phase. This means that the very good accuracy and results in general that we have in validation and test on the same corpus mean that there is overfitting. One of the solutions is to use cross corpus training, which means that to use different corpora either for training or for validation and test, of course, other than that corpus used for training. But here there is another problem, is that most of corpora of speech emotion recognition, they are heterogeneous in the sense that they don't use, for the majority, they don't use the same labeling system. So in some corpora, you can find 5 emotions, in other ones 7 emotions, and in other ones binary emotions, positive or negative, for example. One of the solutions is to not to use proper labels, but to use meta labels, for example, high or low variance, arousal, or dominance, which are the dimensions of the let's say the emotion system. Another solution that we propose is to use or to promote the use of unsupervised learning, because it is self-learning technique, and we get rid of the problem of overfitting. However, we may not wait for such a good accuracy as obtained by the supervised learning. But I would say that obtaining this accuracy, but in a homogeneous way in the training, validation, and test set, would be better than obtaining a very high accuracy in the validation, and then once we change the test set, this accuracy falls down dramatically because of overfitting. Maybe these solutions may cope with the problem of this problem of overfitting and promote human-machine expressive dialogue systems that can be useful in many applications, such that the virtual assistants for purchasing, for example, for diagnosis of degenerative disease, for aid for disabled people, and so on. Thank you very much for your attention.